Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing fine and welcome back to your English literature class. So, today we are going to start the fresh syllabus of Unit Test 2, that is Unit 7, Hector the Collector. Let us begin with the poem. Hector the Collector collected bits of string, collected dolls with broken heads, and rusty bells that would not ring. Bent up nails and ice cream sticks, twist of wires, worn out tires, paper bags, and broken bricks. This poem is written by Shel Silverstein. Today, we'll do the explanation of these 7 lines. So, let us begin. So, in this poem, in these 7 lines, the poet is trying to say that Hector the collector is a small child who is very fun loving and very emotional. He used to collect the bit of string, means everything that is useless for other people, but for him it is very important and connected to his soul. Like he collected dolls with broken heads and rusty bells. Rusty bells means वो bells जिनमें जंक आ गया होता है. That would not ring, यानी कि वो किसी काम के नहीं है. They are not going to ring. He collected dolls with broken heads जो कि incomplete हैं, bent up nails and ice cream sticks, twist of wires यानी कि थोड़े से short pieces of wires and worn out tires यानी कि जो टायर्स कार या साइकिल से ख़राब हो जाते हैं लोग उनको निकाल कर फेंक देते हैं उनको कलेक्ट करना. एंड पेपर बैग्स एंड ब्रोकन ब्रिक्स, और जो भी पेपर बैग्स हम यूजलेस हो जाते हैं हमारे लिए हम फेंक देते हैं इन द डस्टबिन और आउटसाइड द होम. एंड द ब्रोकन ब्रिक्स. तो ही यूज टू कलेक्टेड ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज he felt that it would be very memorable and very connected to him. He likes to have a treasure of all the things he used to collect. So today we will do only this much. Tomorrow we are going to start the explanation of further lines of the poem. Now moving forward to the difficult words we have read in these 7 lines. So the first is string, string. Second word is rusty, rusty, rusty. The meaning I have already told you of rusty, that is means जिस चीज़ में जंग आ जाता है and the meaning of string यानी कि पुर्जे, किसी भी चीज़ के string पुर्जे होते हैं ना छोटे dolls में, toys में, that. Third, broken, broken, broken means टूटा हुआ. 4, twist, twist, twist means उलझा हुआ. And last is collected, collected. Collected means the hobby of collecting things, or the people who like to have a collection of particular thing. So today we'll do this much. Keep revising, keep learning, and for any query feel free to talk. Till then, dear students, take care and enjoy.